Welcome to Left Eye. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of science with 10 mind-blowing experiments you can do right in your own home. Ready to impress your friends and family? Let's get started. Science isn't just for the lab. You can explore the wonders of chemistry and physics in your kitchen or living room. These experiments are not only fun, but also educational. So grab your goggles and let's get experimenting. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Left Eye community for more amazing content. Now, let's get to it. First up, we have the magic milk experiment. All you need is some milk, food coloring, dish soap, and a cotton swab. Pour the milk into a shallow dish, add drops of food coloring, then dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch it to the milk. Watch as the colors dance and swirl, creating a mesmerizing effect. Experiment 2. Baking soda volcano. Next, let's create a classic baking soda volcano. Build a small volcano using clay or Play-Doh around a plastic bottle. Add baking soda, then pour in vinegar mixed with food coloring. The chemical reaction will cause a bubbly eruption that's sure to wow your audience. Subscribe to Left Eye for more awesome videos. Experiment 3. Invisible ink. Want to send secret messages? Try the invisible ink experiment. Mix lemon juice with a bit of water, write your message on paper using a cotton swab, and let it dry. To reveal the message, gently heat the paper with a light bulb. Your words will magically appear. Experiment 4. Dancing raisins. For our next experiment, we have dancing raisins. Drop a few raisins into a glass of clear soda like Sprite or 7-Up. Watch as the carbonation makes the raisins dance up and down. It's a simple yet fascinating demonstration of buoyancy and gas release. Experiment 5. Homemade lava lamp. Create your own lava lamp with water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. Fill a bottle with water and oil, add food coloring, then drop in pieces of Alka-Seltzer. The reaction will create colorful blobs that float and sink, just like a real lava lamp. If you're enjoying these experiments, don't forget to subscribe to Left Eye for more fun and educational videos. Experiment 6. Oobleck. Next up is oobleck, a non-Newtonian fluid that's both a solid and a liquid. Mix cornstarch with water until you get a thick, goopy consistency. Try hitting it hard and then letting it ooze through your fingers. It's a fantastic way to explore the properties of materials. Experiment 7. Egg in a bottle. Ever wondered how to fit an egg into a bottle without breaking it? For this experiment, you'll need a hard-boiled egg, a glass bottle with a narrow neck, and some matches. Light a match, drop it into the bottle, and quickly place the egg on top. The change in air pressure will suck the egg right in. Experiment 8. Homemade slime. No list of home experiments is complete without homemade slime. Mix glue with baking soda, then add a few drops of contact lens solution. Knead it until you get that perfect stretchy consistency. Add food coloring or glitter for extra fun. Experiment 9. Static electricity butterfly. Create a static electricity butterfly using a paper cutout, tissue paper, and a balloon. Rub the balloon on your hair to generate static, then bring it close to the butterfly. Watch as the butterfly's wings start to flap. It's a simple, yet striking demonstration of static electricity. Experiment 10. Water fireworks. Last but not least, water fireworks. Fill a glass with water, then mix oil and food coloring in a separate container. Pour the oil mixture into the water, and watch as the food coloring droplets burst into colorful fireworks underwater. It's a beautiful way to end our experiment journey. And there you have it. 10 mind-blowing science experiments you can try at home. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, science is all about curiosity and discovery, so keep experimenting and learning new things. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Left Eye and hit the bell icon so you never miss an exciting video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.